Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can buy Cyberpunk 2077 from GOG.com, which is the creator's website. So once you're on GOG.com, as you can see right here, the game hasn't been launched yet, so I'm just going to pre-order it. You'll be granted with this screen, which already features Cyberpunk on it, and you just need to click on Add to Cart. Once you've done this, it should take you to a page like this, where we are going to click on Pre-order Now. And as you can see right here, the game has been added to my cart. Here, we should click on just go to checkout, and it should take us to a page like this. Now we need to enter all our payment method. We can either use our wallet funds if we have any money on our GOG account. We can use a Visa or credit or debit card or MasterCard or whatever. PaySafe card, web money, Skrill, PayPal, Google Pay, or just gift this order. Here you should select whatever you want. And after you've done it, for example, pay with PayPal, it's going to ask for my PayPal account. And after I enter the details, it's going to take the money from it. But as I said, you can use whatever method that you want. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. After you paid it, your Cyberpunk game should be either pre-ordered or ordered, depending on the time that you see this video at. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.